Hello everybody and welcome to my shop. Today's going to be a bit different. We're going to work on these things. So you're going to ask me, what are those things? I've never seen one of those before. Well, to be honest with you, I haven't either until I found them on an auction website. These are called Carvewrights. They're CNC routers where the board can go through like a planer, but it does carving. I bought them at an auction. It was saying non-operating, and I figured since there are 3 of them, maybe with 3 of them I could make one run, and I actually did what I would not recommend. I would not recommend to buy CNC online without a computer or without the software. Since I'm working for a company which does software, like can generate code for CNCs, I figured maybe I'll be able to generate the code via our software and have those run. But doing some research a posteriori, so meaning after I bought those things, seems like lots of stuff from here is or are proprietary, so it might be difficult. But anyways, we'll see what we can do. I got the manuals from the website. The company is still operating. So let's see what we can do with those things. Maybe we'll be lucky and have something running. I have not done anything with them, so I don't know the states they're in. I have no idea. So we'll see. If I have no luck, I'll just part the machines out and sell them on eBay or something. And we'll find out. So let's start with this one here. So first thing, you got a power cord or something here, and looks clean. And this looks decent. There's a hood here. There's a bit in there. Okay, this is messed up right here. But here's the worst part. It's missing a panel, and this has been cut. So this machine is pretty much useless. Won't be a donor machine. No cord. Let's see wire. No bottom. Oh yeah. Some stuff are missing. So not looking too good over here. Let's continue with this one. This one, the cable is okay. Still have the wrapper on it. This one's been used. There's a bit in there. It's not clean. It's been used. It's got a cover. This one, let me turn it around. This one has the front cover. The lever is working, and there's a card in here. There's the card reader. But this is on the wrong side, so something is wrong here. That's not good. So he took this thing out, the panel out, and put that together. Bad. Yeah, there's something unplugged here in the Move back here. So this is there. Board. There's something missing here, which is there. Some stuff are weird looking over here compared to there. She's not going anywhere. She's not going anywhere either. So far not looking good. Let's check on the third one. The third one has the same thing. There's also a bit in there. The back is here. There's no card. Wire's fine. Here is fine. This one looks okay. Got no card. Let's see the bottom. That's the heaviest too. So this wires are routed correctly on this one. So we might have some luck on this. This looks better down there, but we'll see. Let me flip those around. So this looks the same. Looks the same. Looks the same. Yes. This looks the same as this one. This looks totally different. Feeling the wiring. CW01. So let's plug that one and see if it does anything. Something is happening. Something is happening. The screen doesn't work. Let's put this one aside because it seems like it's got, at least it's powering on. So let's put this one aside and look at the other ones. This is in one piece. Maybe it's worth something. I don't know where this comes from. Just fell out. Conveyor. There's supposed to be 2 conveyors. Yep. Okay. So this thing was here. At least we know if we want to check the panel here. So the crank goes here. This thing right here goes on here. Like this. So we'll be able to at least swap the panels here and see if something changes. So this one has a 2 so this one was this here. Using the piece that comes here. So this one has a conveyor missing, it's got a box missing. This one has a box but it's different than the other one. That's the power, AC power. So we changed the power. So let's see. This one might be able to work. I don't know. I don't know where this is supposed to go to. power cable. This power cable goes in here. Yeah, this goes in there. Let me label the machines and the things here. So let's do one. Let's do two, and three. Because we already know that this one's trash. This one might work if we can figure this out. Who knows? So let's keep going. Let me swap the front panel on this one and see if it makes any difference. Or not. There is a cover plate here. See if it does anything different. Same. Same. So we might be lucky and have the two panels working. Let me put that back on here and put the other one back on. Taking the infeed or outfeed table out. It's just just a tiny screw. Take the top off. Here's a screw in here. Screw here. There's a missing one here. And there's one here. Here's a connector in here. Two connectors here. tiny bracket here. This bracket and these two screws. And the wire comes off. There's the sensor here. There's no one there, so that's where it is. And it's glued. It's attached on the board here. In the back, there's a board. Flexible. And it goes in here. That covers the power unit. I guess all of this can stay in here for now. I don't need all of this. These two are connected here and here. And here. But they're cut, so can't do anything. So we have one cover plate with two tables. This unit here. This is, I guess, is a fan. This power unit here with a rack, pinion rack. This conveyor, I guess, and the cover plate. We can part this out, and this should, I guess, this is still functional. It just looks bad because all the covering is gone, but it should still be okay. I should have spare parts if it's working. So this one is just missing the, I don't know how you call that. It's called a nap in French, but it doesn't translate into English like a tablecloth. So I don't know how you call that thing. This is missing. Need to find where it goes to. But this is go on the wrong side, so something is wrong here. That's not good. This thing was here. On top right as a wire. like ground. Don't want to break that thing though. The cart thing on top here. Want to break it. So this is pretty bad. That's to protect the machine. This goes to the front panel, and it goes here via one slot on the side here, which is not big enough for this connector to go. So I would have to cut the plastic to get through it, or get another one so I can test that one. So that's messed up. It goes from the front panel to here. Put it back together and see if we have some juice. Wow, Carvewright woodworking machine. Registration, you need press any key. Enter unlock code. What's the unlock code? Unlock code. I don't know what the unlock code is. Unlock code. Whatever that is. Let's undo it and swap the panel for this one. Maybe the numbers work on this one. Yeah, that's messed up. I decided to part out the spare machine, the one that was a donor one, and see if I could sell the parts. So in order to sell the interesting parts like the motors and stuff, I needed to see if they were working. I bought this thing, which is a DC power supply. It goes from 0 to 32 volts and 0 to 10 amp. And this is what I'm gonna use to put some juice onto the motors and see if they're working. So let me show you how it works. So right now it's set at 5 volts, 0 amp because nothing's going in. And we're gonna put power to that connector here. And I put the red, which is the hot to you got multiple cables to control the rotation and whatnot, but there is one that is power, so white and black on the opposite side. So let's see if it does anything. This one's working, but I broke, or I shouldn't say I broke. The wire broke on the connector there. Still working, but it broke. When I powered on the other machine here, this one is not working. I plugged it in and it didn't work. I bought ribbon cables. So that's the cable that goes from the card reader to the face with the digipad there, and this one doesn't work. The other one worked, and it asked for an unlocking code. So I read the manual and it says email the support and ask the unregistration of a previous owner and ask for a new code and register online, which I did. So they sent me the code very quickly. I put the code in the machine and it started to work. I tried to test the motors, and when I tested the conveyor, the conveyor, the sandpaper that were on the conveyor just fell apart. So I'm gonna steal the conveyor, because here looks like belts. So I'm gonna steal those and put them on the other machine. So for this you undo 2 screws. You undo this bar here, and then you undo with screws on the side over here, and you should be able to. Let's plug that in. The new one. I'm gonna leave it hanging right now because I just want to see if it's gonna work. Isn't it just a moment of truth? Nothing. It's not working anymore. Oh, you know what? Let's put a card in there. Yeah, the card's not in here. Put the card, start again. Yeah, if you don't have a card, that doesn't work. Damn. Well, I've been fiddling around with those 3 things. This one was the scrap one. This one I had some hope, but I did not succeed. This one is actually the only one that is working, but after some more reading, research online and stuff, there is so much proprietary things on this thing that I just decided to part it out. Well, that's a shame, but well, it is what it is. So the first one, and you have all the parts on the table here, by the way. The first one was missing parts at the beginning, especially the power unit, the conveyors, the front panel with the pad. This was pretty much unusable, but all the motors are actually working. So some of them you see on the table in front of me. This one was in better shape. This one had nice conveyors with rubber belts on, a nice upgraded power unit according to a website. Problem is, I took the power unit apart and the fuse was blown, and I did a quick and dirty used screwdriver to replace the fuse just to see, and then it blew a circuit. So the AC supply was done. All the motors are running, so they're also on the table. I hijacked the conveyors to put on that one. Yeah, the power supply wasn't working. That's too bad, but oh well. I don't know, I haven't tested if the card reader is actually working. I hope it does, but I don't want to waste my time and put it on here. So I'm not gonna do that. And that one, so that one is powering on. I tested all the sensors, they're all working. So the X-axis, the Y-axis, the Z-axis, everything's working. The conveyor is running, but when I tried to power on the cutting motor, it doesn't work. So I got 2 more here. and these work. So I might try to replace this one by one of these 2 and try again, but I'm not sure. And it doesn't pick up the board. I tried to put a board on there, but it doesn't pick up the location or anything. So according to the manual, there's some cleanup or some dusting to do, but so far it's not working. And anyway, I don't have the card reader, so you have to have a card in the front to power on the machine. If you don't, it doesn't work, which is annoying. You can still use the machine with a card without a card reader, so without a program on it, but it does basic stuff like cutting, miters, jointing, some measuring and stuff, but you won't be able to do any carving. The software we use on the very first version is excuse me, is free, so you can do that. You can use it and export onto the card and then on the machine, but I don't have a card reader, and it's $100 online. It's out of stock, it's old, it's PCMIA, but it's not standard, it's proprietary, so I'm just gonna drop it. Hopefully I'll get my money back selling those parts, so if people are interested. If not, oh well, that's a loss of about $300, so it's not that bad, but still a waste. So we'll see. I'm gonna maybe try 1 or 2 things on this, but I don't have very much hope. And other than that, yeah, I'll just leave it here. So a recommendation I made to people: do not buy a CNC unless you have a computer and the software. I did that to see if I could do anything, thinking I could generate the code from my software company, but proprietary, not working. So I guess I'll look for a newer one, or eventually I'll bite the dust and get a new one at some point, but for now I'm just gonna leave it here. So I hope you enjoyed this different video here, trying to see if we can have those things working. And yeah, wish me luck to sell these parts, and I'll catch you later. Thank you. If you like this kind of stuff, please like and subscribe. I would appreciate it. Thank you. This thing only has 32 hours of cutting time, which is nothing. 0 hours scanning, servicing 35. Total power on 10,000. So it's been on for 10,000 hours and cutting only 35 hours or 32 hours. This is crazy. So it's a C machine. Sensor check, let's do that. So the cover switch is on. I open it, close it. Rollers are released. The board sensor is 0. If I go down, and goes to 120, which is good, so it's working. YZ position 0, tracking, Probe state open. Cut sensor 0. Maybe this one is not working. User test. So if I do test X, remove bit and board and then press a key to continue. Please load a piece of any size. Here it doesn't do anything. Don't know why. Yeah, this doesn't work. I'm stuck there. If you guys have any ideas, please let me know.